finished this bathroom, gorgeous bathroom. You can see this beautiful dome with this chandelier, the antique mirrors, golden antique mirrors in these doors, and these other doors with a hidden door. You push this and comes. It's beautiful lighting, everybody's lighting. You can see here, this is, and here you have this beautiful niche with light. See how the light takes a second to start. Beautiful. A lot of storage spaces. These also small chandeliers in both vanities. The fixtures, well, you can see the sink and the fixtures, beautiful fixtures. So we have here also, well, you can see everything is in golden. This is a tiny gold, brushed gold. And you can see here also this one. Takes a second to start. Very classy, very elegant. We have the same here in the shower. The switch is here because cannot be inside because regulation, but under the bench and on the niche is a huge niche. You see, beautiful. This detail on the drain, you can see is also golden. And the shape we create with the tile around, like this beautiful frame in dark tile, to put the gray inside to make this beautiful contrast. It's a simple valve, but very classy. This is one of the most expensive ones I have installed. Everything here is Brazil, the brand. We have this piece of tile. You can see they are 10 feet by 6 feet. So it's a single piece of tile. You barely can see the seams. You see, this is one seam. It's all the way up, but there is no others. So for example, this one is a whole one piece. All this. You can see the edge. This customer has an excellent taste, you can see. Oh, I didn't line this. It's here. So it has a lot of light. You can see above the arc and also here. This is me recording. Everything was with the perfect craftsmanship. Everything done, of course, with licensed electricians, licensed plumber, master tile, and of course, under my management. I cannot tell enough beautiful things about this. A masterpiece. You can see all these are custom. I will open this one. Everything soft close. Again, this is automatic. I just approach. This is stone, natural stone. This is fluted tile, like wood. Well, if you need something like a bathroom, kitchen, please give me a call. We are experts. You can see this is the kind of craftsmanship we deliver. I think I'll see you in the next one. I will try to record videos more often. Follow my channel in YouTube. And that's it. Thank you very much. I am Frank Puente with Premium Residential Remodeling.